How to sync Gmail with Outlook, or how you can add your Gmail account to your Outlook. So I will show in this video. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so guys, first open your Outlook. Okay, and here you can see I have already added my account here, which is this one. So first you have to go in file, and here you can see the option which is add account. Just click on it. Now you have to enter the your email ID. So enter your email ID. Now click on connect. Okay, so it Google browser will be open in this pop-up. Now you have to click on next. Now you have to enter your password, your Gmail password, and after that here, if you have two-step verification, that it will be this will be ask you. Okay, if you have login with this email ID with your phone, so you can use your phone to give access, or enter 8-digit backup code which Google will send you. Okay, so use anyone. I just use this one. I click on it and enter one backup code you will receive on Google. So I have to go to the my Gmail. Okay, come back to your Gmail account and find out whether you have received this OTP or not. Okay, I did not receive anything now. So I still not receive your backup code. You will receive this backup code in your registered mobile number or email ID. Just enter a digit backup code. Just click on done. So your account will be synchronized with Outlook. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.